what I do is just take sexy pictures of Beth and then tweet those out. It's so much more satisfying. It gets you so many more followers. So that's good. All right, so anyway, in no particular order, let me talk a little bit about the Oscars. I didn't see the whole thing. A lot of people were asking me, though, on Twitter and various places, what did I think of Scott McFarlane?
Well, she wasn't, but she thought she was. Maybe she was. I want to give that woman the opportunity to come on. I do, too. Come on, I'd do it again tomorrow, dude. Sorry. I'm here. Give me your money. Holy shit. I think that was that first red carpet.
I thought the insurance card he gave me was a ticket. Six Turbo Quick 1050.
최소는 추억 차선이에요. 최소는 오! 쏙! 왜 수고해 연락을
어디서 못 가겠어. 네?
최소는 추억 차선이에요. 최소는 오! 쏙!
Быстрее, человек.
Какому человеку?